Bugundan boshlab New Yorkdagi All Health tibbiyot markazida qon tomirlari bo'yicha maxsus shifokor Dr. Zisbrod o'z faoliyatini boshladi. Ularga hozirda savol bilan murojaat qilamiz. Qanchalik muhim varikoz venalarimizga o'z e'tiborimizni qaratish. Good afternoon, doctor.
Hi.
So, would you please let us know why do we need to take care of varicose veins?
Varicose veins are not just cosmetic, they are a medical problem. This is a normal vein, this is a varicose vein. Varicose veins are slowing the blood return and they can cause many complications. They can cause swelling, they can cause chronic pain, they can cause ulcer, darkening of the leg, blood clot. This is a condition that if you don't take care of it, many complications can happen. Today, treatment has become unbelievable. There's no need to go to hospital, no need for general anesthesia. You come, we do a evaluation and we do eliminate the varicose vein to get back these veins, and people are very happy and the problem is solved.
And the last question. Can the representative of Uzbek community here in New York have an appointment with you?
Absolutely. We are here seeing people every week, and we are be happy to see anybody. Evaluation is very quick, and in one visit we can make a plan and we can go and take care of it.
Thank you. Hurmatli New Yorkdagi vatandoshlarimiz, demak, qon tomirlari bo'yicha shifokor kerak bo'lsa, bemalol murojaat qilishingiz mumkin. Kerakli telefon raqamlarini sizlarga yozib qoldiraman. Tarjimonlar har bir tilda bor. Rus tili, o'zbek tili, tojik tilida. Shuning uchun bemalol All Health markaziga tashrif buyurishingiz mumkin. Bu degani Mr. Otabek TV kanalida va All Healthda profilaktika bilan ko'rishganda, ko'rishguncha. Appreciate.
Очень приятно.
Взаимно.